Welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the first half of March. inEVM mainnet launch. What does inEVM bring to the Injective ecosystem? Learn all the details in this episode. CW20 token standard. Which new token types, use cases, and properties are now available? ETHENA'S USDe. First expansion of Ethena outside of Ethereum, a new type of stable asset. What is USDe? Injective ecosystem updates. Helix, Hydra Out app, Thetanuts, Black Panther, and more. New Injective dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now for today's top stories. Injective announced the mainnet launch of inEVM, which is the first ever Ethereum virtual machine with true composability across both Cosmos and Solana. The inEVM is the first Ethereum-aligned rollup designed to supercharge concurrent VM development. The inEVM follows the recent release of inSVM, which is the first Solana rollup integrated with the Cosmos IBC ecosystem and facilitating Solana developers to easily migrate their dApps to Injective. Thanks to inEVM, Ethereum developers can now build applications leveraging Injective's blazing fast speed and near zero costs, while achieving composability across the WASM and EVM ecosystems. In summary, thanks to inEVM and inSVM, Injective is the only L1 combining the interoperability of Cosmos, the speed of Solana, and the developer access of Ethereum. For Ethereum developers, inEVM provides the following advantages. They can use the same Solidity language, but can benefit from Injective's speed, near zero cost, IBC connection, user base, and global network. Also, dApps launch on the inEVM will compose directly with Cosmos and Solana applications. In summary, developers can now leverage the strength of different VMs while also ensuring composability with existing smart contract standards and infrastructure. Some top projects deploying already on inEVM include TimeSwap, a major lending protocol, Thetanuts, an advanced on-chain options protocol, or Ape Bond, a multi-chain bonding protocol. inEVM was developed in collaboration with several projects. Caldera is the rollup provider for inEVM. Hyperlane provides interoperability to interact with WASM-based Injective dApps and assets. For example, a developer could build a Solidity dApp that allows users to create transactions directly on Injective's WASM apps. Layer 0 provides horizontal composability for the creation of omni-chain apps or OApps. These OApps can interact not just within Injective's ecosystem, but also across all connected networks. Celestia will serve as a data availability layer for inEVM, meaning a mechanism for the inEVM execution and settlement layers to monitor in a trust-minimized manner where transaction data is indeed available. inEVM will also benefit from Celestia's data availability sampling, or DAS for short, which enables abundant throughput. Pyth is the Oracle provider for inEVM. There are 450 institutional-grade price feeds and over 95 major market participants contributing data into the network. inEVM is truly trailblazing, so huge congrats for the inEVM mainnet launch. Injective and Dojo recently launched a CW20 token standard with over 10 projects, having already launched different variants of CW404. A new CW20 token standard has now also been released. The CW20 reflection standard allows new forms of tokens to be built. This token standard already existed in the EVM ecosystem, but it was absent until now in the Cosmos ecosystem. The CW20 standard facilitates the creation of new financial primitives that meet the demands of users and markets. These are some of the properties of CW20 tokens. Customizable protocol fee, sharing parameters with users, or pure tax token with each token transfer, incurring a tax that can be either burnt or sent to a treasury contract for withdrawal. Also, the collected tax can be used to obtain a target token via Dojo Swap DEX, for example, and then these tokens can be distributed back to the CW token holders. Tax parameters are customizable, and some addresses can be whitelisted to prevent the taxes as well. The transfer taxes of CW20 tokens can also be removed by converting the token into a bank version, and hence allowing the tokens to be used on order book DEXs like Helix and also in SEX exchanges. The USDE/USDT market went live on Helix, and now Helix is the cheapest option for traders to obtain USDE at near zero fees and blazing fast speed. Shards are Ethena's point system, and from March 11, Helix users have been able to receive shards for holding USDE in their Injective wallets. Ethena is focused on the creation of yield-bearing synthetic tokens, and in less than a month, it achieved almost 1 billion in TVL. Injective has become the first expansion of Ethena outside of the Ethereum ecosystem, and thanks to this, the Injective and broader Cosmos and IBC ecosystem now have access to ETHENA'S USDe. USDe is Ethena's synthetic dollar and relies on cutting-edge technology like delta hedging and established assets like ETH to maintain its peg to the dollar. USDe leverages staked ETH and derivatives markets to ensure the stability of the USDe peg while also generating yields. This new type of stable asset is called the synthetic dollar. Holders of USDe on Injective have been able to participate in the Ethena's Shards campaign and earn shards from March 11th. Users holding USDe in their Injective wallets will receive 5 times more shards or points on the Ethena protocol. Moreover, thanks to Injective's near-zero cost, dApps on Injective are now the cheapest option to earn Ethena shards. Ethereum users can obtain USDe and other assets on various Injective dApps like Helix at lightning-fast speed and near-zero cost using native Ethereum wallets and tools like MetaMask. This integration is possible thanks to previous Injective's implementation of Ethereum standard EIP712, which allows Ethereum wallets such as MetaMask to seamlessly connect to the Injective network and generate an Injective wallet address that is automatically linked to an Ethereum wallet address. Hydro Finance's HDRO token launched via the Mito launchpad. In less than 24 hours, there was already an over 200% oversubscription, and the goal of $4.5 million was reached in less than 10 minutes. Hydro is focused on liquid staking for INJ with the LST and INJ. The OKX wallet is now integrated across several Injective products and dApps, allowing to use INJ and native Injective tokens staking INJ and more. OutApp is progressing and achieving new milestones such as 14,000 users, 240,000 posts, and 3.8 million interactions. During March, OutApp will focus on onboarding several communities, improving the UI/UX, additional new features, and more. Thetanuts will become the first options protocol to deploy on the recently launched inEVM. Thetanuts announced that epochs on inEVM are 3 weeks and deposits opened, with epoch starting on the 15th of March. Thetanuts Finance users can access INJ, call and put basic vaults to generate premiums in 30% to 40% range. Thetanuts is focused on decentralized on-chain options, with LSTs, altcoins, and liquid restaking tokens, or LRTs, as underlying assets. Black Panther announced the LST Black INJ, and they're aiming to become the preferred LST within the Injective ecosystem. During the ETHENver event, Injective hosted 2 great side events, the Injective Builder Brunch and Happy Hour. You can see some photos of the side events. The Injective booth also had some fun and interactive activities, as you can see here. Furthermore, Injective had again the best billboards of ETHENver. Shane also gave a talk about building in a multi-VM environment with WASM, inSVM, and inEVM. The Hydro Season 1 airdrop will be claimable from the 19th of March at 13 hours UTC, and airdrop claims will remain open for 7 days from the start date. Unclaimed airdrops will be added to the following upcoming airdrop Season 2. Some of the criteria to qualify for the airdrop include INJ staking, INJ testnet participation, or early access farming. Injective is also eligible for Wormhole's W airdrop, and you are eligible if you have interacted with Injective or Injective dApps. The snapshot to determine eligibility was taken on the 6th of February of 2024 at 23 hours 59 minutes UTC. A total of 81% of the airdrop will be for on-chain users of the different eligible networks and 19% for the eligible communities. Black Panther also announced the Point airdrop for those staking with their validator, and claimable points were shown after the 1st of March. Point tokens will be used to unlock rewards when they launch their Black token, meaning that Point token holders will be able to earn Black Panther's protocol revenue. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Bi-Weekly Review. So if you enjoyed Ninjas, click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. Ninjas, you can support our Injective content by sticking INJ with Cosmic Validator. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you Ninjas very soon in the next episode.